forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, PMC Information. We are there on X and you can subscribe. Also, we are there on WhatsApp where you can discuss a lot of things.
It's 28th of October 2025, and today's points news, we're going to be talking about ETH, that Ethereum. Now, these are the headline that is making Ethereum to have a little value for today, that have not dropped much and is still gaining ground. The ETH Zara sell 40 million in ETH in Ethereum to fund share buyback. Why did they do all this? And I'm going to open your eye why they do this. Because if you really check, when a token is existing and you do not activate the system, the method of buying back, that token is not gonna, maybe, that's why I say maybe, may not really do well. But you see, the ones that activate the method of buyback, their token is always skyrocketing. The shares, people jump into it and acquire more because they know that, and buyback and method of burning is always favoring the token in the market sectors. Now let's go forward. It says in the ETH Zero sold 40 million in ETH to fund stock buyback. The firm has repurchased 600 shares to date, value at approximately $12 million. The move signals a growing crossover between crypto treasures and traditional equity finance. ETH Zero as Ethereum Treasures Corporations listed on Nesta under the ticker symbols. ETH Zero has sold approximately $40 million of ETH and will use the capital to fund its shares buyback program. That step is a part of a broader effort to enhance shareholders' value and narrow the discount between the firm shares price and its net asset value (NAV). According to the company, the ETH was sold on October 24th, as disclosed a new process released the same day. Since the ETH has repurchased approximately 600,000 of its ordinary shares for around $12 million. The buyback fell under a approved $250 million authorizations plan issues in August, in addition to return significant capitals to the trust, as the price plan give ETH Zero the flexibility to buy back shares when its stock trade below NAV, effectively acknowledged that the company believes its market value does not fully account for the value of its Ether holding. After the news was released, ETH Zero lose 14.5% during market trading sessions, as then increased by 9% in after hours trading to avoid 22.50 per share, according to Google Finance. Even with the jump, the price is still well off a previous high set accordingly, around $107 when the company initiated close plan to raise funds for its Ethereum Treasures project. Buyback aim to close the discount. Currently, the firm still has around 400 million in Ether remain on its balance shares even after the sold. That meant the 400 million sell was around 10% of its crypto reserve, making plan of have room for trade for futures. Backward, Ethereum investors racers as also regard attentions in August. Peter Caesars founder fund brought a 7.5% token in its stake in its company. Business Insider report it was viewed as a sign of increasing situations interest in ETH's wealth treasures and digital assets backed company. It is rendered here this year to focus especially on investment in the Ethereum ecosystem, subsequent pivots into digital assets management and blockchain investment. A treasures method reviewed traditional investment trusts, but with the additional benefit of on-chain treasures and direct exposure to crypto assets. So now this is what really happened, and I really think that you will grab what is really happening. So that was what happened to ETH, and some treasures this thing, they test them. They sold some of them 40 million of each, and they were selling off